I'm gonna try a new thing and make a little YouTube video, so I'm gonna try to fix this clock. God damn, my camera's shit. Anyway, it's a GE. Yeah, it's a GE model number 74725 1711. This is definitely not from 2011. Been in here before. I don't remember what's wrong. I think the radio fucked. Let's see if I get this working. Well, it's plugged in, you can tell, because it's making a sound, but nothing is happening. The radio, it's on. The radio is on. It's getting nothing though. It's really messed up. Let's open it and find out. Well, it looked like a spider was living here, but it blew it off. But YouTube decided not to. Ooh. Fuck. That's a lot. Anyway. Let's see if we can figure out. Nothing seems wrong with it. It was definitely playing. Well, not. Oh, what? What? Did you just... Now it just fucking starts working. I know that station, but that should be down there. Yeah. Why are they doing that? Why is it so low?
That's been it. How's there?
That's off. The stations are off. Huh. That is weird. Let's focus on the clock, I guess. Well, I said I would work on the clock, but just because I don't want to work on the radio part right now, because I don't have a table to do it. That table's covered with a plant. Anyway, that's also why it's on the floor, and this table's fucking cluttered. Anyway, while I was waiting for the clock, I decided to see if I find some schematics, and I didn't find a schematic, not yet, but I found a picture of it. That's a pretty looking thing. This one needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I don't know. There's a thing back here. Something, I don't know. You can see, yeah, right there. Something got behind the, plastic. I don't know. I don't know how. But, so let's see. It's just an AM regular one. It's category, super heterodyne, which I know is mostly common, but also it came from, they guess it's from 78, post-World War II. Yeah, I have not found a schematic yet, but I'll find one. Model is part of this. No. Anyway. But yeah, I'll see if I can figure out why the clock is not going. I can hear it trying to. Well, I took that part off. I think that's the motor, and I set it to run. I believe. Did I not? I really need to get the thing on there. Damn, it's really hard to do this with only one hand. That's the hot end. They're right next to each other. Why is it like this? What is that there? Okay, so that's the motor. See, so that's the, I believe that's the motor. I don't know what else that would be. Because it, okay. So, it just goes straight here. I mean, and then I get it would go over to here, just for the radio. Because this part's supposed to always be on, but how does that get any power? Because this, let's have like 20 volts. No amps. Especially because my feet are on the carpeted floor. That's warm. That's very warm. Well, not like, it's not hot. That's so, I think that's an inductor. And then you have the two here. This is not warm. This is warm. Oh. Ah, that would probably be it. It might be seized. I don't know. I could try spraying some WD-40 or something in there. I think that's the issue, is at this point is seized, which would make sense. And why it would make a small buzz. And then I wonder if that could also be fucking up the radio, because it'd be using too much wattage. I don't know. I'll try to fix that. Just noticed. It's so much easier. Oh, what happened? Oh, out. Yeah. Shit. Oh, out. Yeah, so it's definitely that gearbox is frozen. Yeah, because if I put it back in, hang on. Okay, I put the motor back in, and now it's not moving freely. If I put it back in, even the middle one, oh. Oh. Did I unfreeze it, or is it not? I didn't put it in all the way. I did not put it in all the way. Okay, that's what's going on. What's the inside one? Is that a alarm clock? But that seems like a really shit design of a alarm clock. Huh. Well, I figured out a few things first. So the minute hand, so the second hand is the only thing actually connected directly to the motor. So I'm gonna try to see if I could force it, but I need to take all this out. And then, so that little black and white thing, that is actually the alarm switch. So I tested it. Well, I say the radio is still having issues, but yeah, but it powers on the wake on music on wake. Yeah, you set a alarm. That's what that switch is. But yeah, I don't know how to get. Now I'm trying to figure out how to get these two plates apart, so I could try to bend this or at least clean it. Once they take that off, it's not as hard. I thought there would be like tabs or whatever. No. The whole thing just... I mean, there are tiny tabs, but you actually push them from up top. I think that's the spoiler. Well, now that's gone. Damn. Ooh, I spit on it. And that... Oh, that's actually metal. All of this is metal. This is plastic. But damn, that... It's a really pretty thing. Oh. Man. I mean... I hope I didn't... I hope I got the gear actually going. No, I did not. That's just... Huh. No, the actual thing is just sliding. Whoa. I need to go through an alcoholic way. Because you can see what this part was hidden underneath this dial. How did dust get in here? How did that happen? I guess it came through from in here. Because, yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Oh. Yeah, no clock movement. Huh. I don't know. The issue is I want to get that part moving before I put WD-40 in there, or else it's not going to move. Well, I got it to move. Well, got it loose. With this. Yeah, there it is. Now it's moving. So, if we apply power... No. Though, thanks, phone. Thanks for your... Anyway, now that I can move that, I can move the gears in it and put some WD-40 in it, I guess. I'll try that. Well, I let it sit there, play the radio for a bit, because it, you heard it come back. I thought it was off, but...
Plus, are we sure it's a numbers game? 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Pacific, right here at Eastern.
These two match up.
By the books, with Dave Ross and Jensen Lewis.
I just want to state it for the record. If you look at the numbers for it,
Bears are 3 to 1 to win the NFC.
Okay, that's the top of the band. Wait.
Over 40 in the same game. Bucks dominate the Mavericks 137-107. Now it's
Huh.
32 as they put 20,000 to a point. T-Wolves rip the Hornets 125-110. Nuggets rattle up Kings.
The thing is, okay. The thing is about this radio is that it's really sensitive. Not sensitive. Well, like, if you move off the channel even a little bit, it dies. That's not it. I think it's lost this channel. You can't go higher, but that makes sense. That's 160 right there. This is 166. Yeah, and there's only barely any when I was lower.
Package for DIY installation.
That seems about right.
And backed by 2 years of free road hazard protection. TireRack.com. The way tire buys should be.
The worst dream last night. You were in a car.
Once I got back into radio.
I guess they just need to be on for a bit. No tuning needed, really. I just hope to get this working, but all that this needs is a motor. I'll probably wipe it down too, because also stuff here. I cannot find any schematics, but yeah. And it's also really fucking hot here, and it smells like burning. But I think that's just the dust burning off. Especially the capacitor right here. Because, especially this resistor right here. That resistor is right here, and it's really hot, and it was really burning. It smells like burning. But not like... Oh, shit. My alcohol spilt on the couch. Rubbing alcohol, don't worry. Yeah, I just have to figure out how to get this motor working. I'll do that tomorrow. See? That's a really good AM radio, though. I think it just needed a... And I did bypass it at a point. It is... I don't know. I'm sorry. I just can't stop looking at it. It's so pretty. I was looking online for schematics, and one of the things I did find was in Chicago. In Chicago, there was a prop shop that had one of these. Yes, yeah. I hope I don't get copyright strike. I don't know. Especially for the one Spanish station. And the Wake on Music does kind of work. Hang on. Oh. Hang on. Shit. Okay, I want to do it. Also, thing is about that station, that's actually really close to us. That's like 6 miles this way. I can hear that station in my phone lines at night.
Listening that wants to go. I'm happy to take you there. I've been.
The one thing, and my only gripe with this radio... Okay, I'm sorry. I get AM... It's been a while, but I really like FM stuff more, because AM, I cannot see and talk radio. It's all... it's either all sports, which I don't give two shits about, or politics. Always right-wing. Why is it always right-wing? That was Christian radio, where they keep complaining, where, I've actually had it where somebody called in to a radio station complain how their, son is playing Minecraft, and that releases demons. To be fair, it's... Oh, yeah, I was trying to figure out why it's not working. Yeah, it seems fine now. Radio's fine, at least. Try to get the clock working. If I can, if not, I don't know. Radio seemed to fix itself. I just finished cleaning it. Left the radio on the entire time. This spot just won't go away, and this like crayon on the back. But all I did was use alcohol wipes. I actually did take it apart, clean the inside. It looks really. I mean, it has a bit of stuff that needs to be repainted a bit. I thought there's another spot, but I don't feel like repainting it. It's looking good. I just wish I could figure out the clock. But it sounds amazing. Yeah, but now the entire radio band works. Because originally it's like... I think it just needs to be... not recapped, but, warmed, you know? Capacitors that have been used in a while. Reform.